people, welcome to Chantel's Foodventures, where we bring the adventure back into your kitchens. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. On today's episode, we're making some hearty comfort food, which is a dairy-free version of the classic corn chowder. So let's get into it. To begin our corn chowder recipe, we are starting off with boiling our potatoes. So I chopped up some yellow potatoes into a small dice. We're going to put that into our big pot. And then I also chopped up a medium onion. We're also going to take that and put it in the pot as well. I absolutely love this cutting board because it catches any stray food. All of the items that I do use in my videos are on my online storefront of all my favorite Amazon finds, and that link is in my bio. So if you guys ever want to purchase anything that I use in these videos, it's on there. And I am an Amazon associate, so I do earn commissions off of qualifying products. So yeah, and then we're going to take our vegetable broth and we're going to pour that into our pot as well. And here is a fun fact for you guys when it comes to boiling potatoes. Please make sure that your potatoes are going into cold water to start. That way, when they're cooking, they get an even cooking. So all your potatoes will be cooked together at the same time and not like separately, some more done than others. Now that the potatoes and onions are in the pot together with our broth, I'm just going to stir the contents all together a little bit with my spoon. And then we are going to add this to our stove for the potatoes to cook thoroughly. Our potato mix is now softened, so we're going to carefully scoop out 2 cups of its contents and transfer it over to a blender. And I'm personally using a Vitamix. Along with our potato onion mixture, we're going to add 1/2 cup of raw cashews. We're going to add 1/4 cup of Nutritional yeast. And then we're also going to add about, I would say, 1 cup of our corn to this mixture as well. And then we're going to blend this until it is smooth. You could also add in a little bit of water to help with this smoothing process. Our mixture is now blended smooth, so we're going to take that and pour it back into our pot. And just make sure that your fire now is on medium heat because we do not want this to boil again. We just want everything to get heated through. We have that. Then we're going to add our corn. And then our spices, which is onion powder, some dried basil, some white pepper, and some poultry seasoning. And then we're just going to give this a little stir and have everything incorporate and heat through. The flavors of our chowder has now incorporated, so now the fun part, the plating. So I have a ladle, so we're just going to stir. I have my bowl, and we're going to, oh, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And then I'm going to garnish it with some chives that I actually gotten off of my beautiful chive plant. I am now an herb mom. I'm just going to sprinkle that on top. And there you have it, some dairy-free corn chowder. I can't be the only one who enjoys a nice bowl or plate of comfort food, and that doesn't necessarily mean that it has to be unhealthy. So cheers! I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember, healthy does not mean boring. See you next time.